guys, welcome back to my channel. Ada here again. So you guys, finally I am going to be leaving this place and I am going to be going out to do something else. I'm going to be going to somewhere else. So we are going to Dallas, Texas for a day. So you guys are going to come with me to Dallas, Texas for a day. And hold on, if you're new to my channel, welcome to my channel. My name is Ada, and yeah, welcome to my channel. Be sure to click that subscribe button and click on the notification bell because this channel is all fun and games. Okay, we have fun over here. Okay, and if you're a returning subscriber, thank you so much for always tuning back in and always coming back in. So we are on our way to Dallas, and it will be like a 4 to 5 hours drive. So yeah, let's do this. Hey, say Olivia, say hi.
Hello. This is
Titi, say hi.
Hi.
Hey, Jovan. Good. Yes, my baby. Yeah, hi. Oh my God, he said hi, and oh, I'm glowing. So as when we get to our hotel room, I'm definitely going to be doing my makeup, and you know, I'll be doing my makeup when we get to my hotel room. So let's get started. I'm so excited, you guys. I get to do something else that is not just staying here, and I just get to, travel and do something else. So I'll be taking you guys along. I don't know if I'll be able to film so much, but I'll try because I'm using my phone to film, and I need some lip gloss. I'm using my phone to film, and I need to use my GPS as well. So I'll just get what I can, and then yeah, I'll get what I can. Where do I put this? Right here. Oh my god, you guys, we are here. Hey, Olivia.
Hello.
Yeah, so this is our view.
And this is Dallas.
This is my view.
And we're up high.
Ooh, finally.
You
This
forgot
is
your
our
fish.
view. Yeah.
We went a long way to get here. Okay, fish.
This is our hotel.
Let's go back. This is.
So this is our hotel room.
This one is the fishing room. This one is our. Oh my gosh! It's amazing.
Hey, don't touch.
Everything here is just amazing. Everything
there
is
is
clock
lighting.
that can wake us up. It's a.
I like that view.
Just go to wake us up.
Hey.
Whoa, oh my gosh.
Look at all these things.
Oh my gosh.
Get in bed.
Oh my gosh. Amazing.
Ooh, for my makeup. I have this big ass mirror right here. My makeup.
Oh my gosh.
There's even something you can do over here.
Oh my gosh.
Yes.
Turning the clock.
So,
Oh.
Why are you putting up Madame Toza Queen? What is it?
Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. My gosh.
Clean. Like the details. I like the details. Yeah, this is the bathroom. Ooh, I like the details. Yeah. Yeah, I like the details over here. This one sink right here.
Maybe they say stop jumping now. Olivia, don't let your brother pass there. Oh, my dress is a mess. See Papa enjoyment. This one like Otto Brunaya. Oh. That's why when you're dating him, he doesn't want to come out. He will stay there. Once he stays there, they don't want to come out. They will stay. I say, come on, you're wasting water.
Enjoy it here. like here is yeah, I like that view. Like, look at that. Look at that. The view. Look at that. So beautiful. I like the view. It's so beautiful. Look at that. Everywhere is like, what's the time? It's like 12 midnight. And I'm just settling in back. Just had my bath. The kids also had their bath and they're already sleeping. And I'm here to give you guys the view and also to tell you guys good night. I can't believe we'll be on the road again tomorrow and then back. But this was worth it. The kids had so much fun. They had so much fun. So I'll see you guys tomorrow morning before we leave the hotel. And before we head back home, I'll definitely see you guys. Oh, look at that. So pretty. Hey guys, good morning. Yeah, it's morning and oh my god, you guys, I had to put on this thing because yeah, boo boo. I had to put on this thing because I pulled out my wig, so I had to put on this. So we are on our way back. I couldn't even do any video in the hotel. You know how it is traveling with kids, like it's so stressful because I had to drag this person. And you guys, they had fun yesterday, but my whole body was paining me. Like my whole body was in pain. Okay, I just came back to the hotel room and I slept off. Everybody slept off because everyone was so tired, and we are on our way. Yeah, we are on our way going back right now. So yeah, I just stopped here and yeah, I stopped here, I got gas, and we are on our way going back. Yeah, I look good in my bonnet though. I'm so tired, like I am so tired. So I'll definitely see you guys when we get back home. Say hi, Olivia.
Hello.
Did you have fun yesterday, baby? Titi, you had fun? Oh, this boy. Jovan Boo Boo. Oh gosh. Let me give him something so he can be calm. You guys, I'm so tired. Like, yeah, we are driving so much. Olivia said we are driving so much. Abby, that's if you want to have fun, that's what it takes. You have to drive so much to get to where you're going to.
Get to Dallas.
Yeah, it took a long way to get to Dallas. Yeah, I know. It's like 3 to 4 hours. Let me say 4 hours. It's like a 4 hours drive. So yeah. Hey, boo boo.
It was like
Why is your brother crying, Olivia? Why is your brother crying? Oh Lord, I am so tired. Like so tired, but I still look fresh though. My fresh face. Yeah, so I'll be stopping this here because I need to drive and I can't be videoing so much because I also need to use my GPS. So I'll see you guys when we get home. So hey guys, we are back home finally and the kids are changing inside their room. Whew. I'm telling you guys, like filming and going, like traveling with kids alone is just so stressful, and then trying to film while you're with kids is something else. I almost spent like the whole day chasing them all over the whole place and doing so many things. I was just running after them and doing a whole lot of things, and I am so tired, you guys. I am so tired right now and I'm going to continue my sleep. I actually had a good sleep at the hotel, but I'm going to continue my sleep because everything has been stressful, and they are just like, can we get home already? And yeah, finally we are home. So I'm going to continue my sleep and I'll definitely wake up later and do whatever, unpack our bags and do so many other things. Boo boo, come here. Come, boo boo. What are you doing? So I'm just going to unpack our bags and later on, I'll do that. So thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you guys enjoyed this vlog or whatever it is, a day in Dallas, Texas. So I hope you guys enjoyed this. If you did, please don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up. Don't forget to share this video to your friends and family. Leave your comment down below. Tell me like your most favorite part about this video and all those stuffs. And of course, if you have not subscribed, like what are you waiting for? Please click that subscribe button and click on the notification bell. I am on Instagram at VlogswithAda, so go ahead and follow me up on Instagram. Let's meet up on Instagram, let's chat up on Instagram, and I will definitely be seeing you guys in my next video. So for now, I am going to just take a rest. I'm going to sleep, and I'll wake up later to unpack our bags. Yeah, so thank you so much guys for watching. So hey Olivia, she's still carrying her bag. Hey Jovan, Titi.
I'm not sharing my house.
Hey Jovan.
I'm not sharing.
Hey Jovan.
Still,
Hey. Hey Titi.
no, out of here.
Okay.
I don't want